Welcome to my story channel. Enjoy unlimited entertainment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The true form of love.
Rohit Sharma, a professor at a prestigious college in Bengaluru, lived a life shaped by circumstances beyond his control. Bound by his mother's wish, he married Pruthvika, a woman of grace and devotion. However, his heart still echoed with memories of Karnika, his first love and cousin. Their love had been thwarted by deep-rooted family disputes, forcing Rohit into a marriage devoid of affection. Though married, Rohit never truly accepted Pruthvika. His interactions with her were cold and distant, lacking the warmth a husband should offer. Despite this, Pruthvika remained unwavering in her loyalty, hoping that time and patience would mend their fractured bond. Observing Rohit's detachment, his parents decided to embark on a pilgrimage, hoping their absence would bring the couple closer. Left alone with Pruthvika, Rohit found himself torn between duty and longing, unable to reconcile his past with his present. One fateful evening, Rohit visited his close friend Parthu, a lecturer at another college. They met at a public library, where Parthu warmly invited Rohit to his home. Accepting the invitation, Rohit visited Parthu's house, only to be struck speechless. His ex-lover, Karnika, was now Parthu's wife. Shocked and overwhelmed, Rohit couldn't bring himself to say a word to her and left in silence. Determined to make amends, Rohit rushed to find Pruthvika. He found her at a temple, her eyes filled with silent prayers, a reflection of her unwavering faith in their marriage. Gathering the courage to express his remorse, he stepped forward, but fate had a cruel twist in store. A sudden commotion erupted outside the temple. In a tragic moment, Pruthvika met with an accident. Without hesitation, Rohit carried her to the hospital, his heart pounding with fear. Holding her hand, he pleaded with the doctor, "Please, save my wife. I can't live without her." The doctor responded gravely, "She has lost a lot of blood, but we will do our best. Don't lose hope." Hours passed in agonizing silence. Finally, the doctor emerged from the operation theater. The surgery was successful, he said, offering Rohit the hope he desperately needed. When Pruthvika regained consciousness, Rohit sat beside her, his eyes filled with unshed tears. Taking her hand in his, he whispered, "I was terrified of losing you. If something had happened to you, I wouldn't have been able to go on. But God was kind, He gave you back to me. I am so lucky." A tear rolled down Pruthvika's cheek, but this time, it was of joy. She looked at her husband, the love she had always longed for now shining in his eyes. "I am really lucky to have a husband like you. That's why God made me wait, to experience this happiness with you." A week later, she was discharged from the hospital. Rohit took time off work and cared for her with love and devotion. For the first time, Pruthvika felt truly cherished. And for the first time, Rohit understood what love really meant, not a fleeting memory of the past, but the unwavering presence of someone who had always been there, waiting for him to see her. Their journey had been long and painful, but in the end, love had found its way home.
For watching the video in. Subscribe to my channel now for exciting and heartwarming stories. Every story is a treat for you. Don't miss out. Subscribe and explore the world of stories.